Squarespace website builder review complete tutorial to start with. Hello guys, Ilya here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Squarespace to build your own website. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So here we are on squarespace.com. Here we can find some information about the product, templates and resources. To get started, we need to click on Get Started in the right top corner to create an account. I already have one, so I just click on Login. And you can do the same. We'll continue with Gmail, and while creating an account you can just simply create it using Gmail. As for me, this is the easiest option. So here we are on our homepage, basically, where we can find two folders, dashboard and domains. On the domains folder we can manage all of our domains. We can get a domain or transfer a domain from another platform. And on the dashboard, we can manage all of our websites we have. For example, now I have one website here. I can just simply click on More, manage my permissions, billing, settings. We can duplicate website or we can simply delete it. Also, we can change the view like this to table or to like dashboard view. And in the right top corner here, we can manage all of our account settings, profile, account and security, notifications, language settings, and so on. In order to create a website, we just simply need to click on Create Website on our dashboard, and we'll come to our template page where we can find a lot of different settings we can manage. So simply we can choose the type of our website. Here we can choose online store, portfolio, memberships, blogs, scheduling, and or one page website. So in this case, let's try to create something like maybe blog or online store. And on the topic area, we can also divide them into different categories: all templates, art and design, photography, health and beauty, blah 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 blah. There are a lot of different templates we can easily use. So let's try to choose maybe something about food, maybe travel or fitness. Let it be like travel, online store or blog. Let it be like this. As you can see in the right side, we get the option build your own template. So it means that we'll start from scratch. But in this case, we are going to use one of the templates. So let's try to view something interesting as for us. And I think that this one is pretty cool as for our maybe website. So we can simply click on preview website. And as you can see, it looks like this. We can switch between different devices and so on. And it is good. We can just simply click on start with, or we can go back to find something new. So let's click on start with this design to create a website as for us, and it will be added to our dashboard. So the first step we need to do is just to input the name. Let it be like website 1, and just simply click on continue, next, and get started. So here we are on our managing page. It's not like editor. If we want to open the editor, we just simply need to click on edit, and we'll come to our editor page where we can change all the elements on our website. But let's click on exit. On this page, on the managing page, we can manage our pages. As you can see, we have shop, our story, blog, and so on. So we can manage every single page, but just simply click on settings, and here we are. We can change general, categories, CEO, and so on. So there are a lot of options could be managed by this page. We also have the design area where we can manage all the site styles. As you can see, we can change the fonts. We can change the wall fonts pack. So if you'll choose, as you can see, all the fonts or our website are changed immediately. And I think it's a huge advantage, because we can easily customize the wall pack of templates of the text. Yeah. So now it looks like this. As you can see, we can simply click on save, and our changes will be successfully saved, and the fonts pack will be successfully changed also. So as for me, it's pretty cool. We can also customize all the colors. We can change the palette. As you can see, we can switch between different, and this, as for me, this is a pretty cool, because we can find something which is suitable as for our interest and so on. So yeah, we just already click on save, and here we are. In a few seconds, the wall template was totally customized. So let's click on exit. And on this page, we can also manage browse icon, lock screen, checkout page, for page, and so on. And we also can manage our commerce folder with online store, marketing, scheduling, asset library, analytics, where you can find a lot of analytics about our website, about visitors, traffic, and so on. So in order to come to editor page, we just simply need to click on edit, as I already said. And here we are, we can switch between different devices in the right top corner. So as you can see, all the templates are responsive to different devices. And as for me, it's a huge advantage also. On the editor, we can undo or redo all the features which are done in this corner here, and we can deal with every single element. We can just simply change the text, for example, like helper mon tutorials. Let it be like this. We can make it bold, italic, change something else, make it as a quote, add the background, and so on. So there are a lot of options. We can also interact with the wall section here. We can move it down or move it right if it's necessary. So we can add different blocks. Blocks are like elements, so we can easily add text, image, video, button, form, audio, accordion, like newsletter, shape, and so on. There are a lot of stuff we can easily add. We can add different integrations like Instagram, SoundCloud, RSS, Swarm, and so on, like different filters, premium options. And I think it's pretty cool. We can also customize the position of our elements, easily change the position of this text, of this button here. All the features could be changed. Also, we have the option to add different sections to our website. As you can see, there are a lot of them: info, contact, about, people, products, services, portfolio, and so on. There are a lot of templates we can easily use. So let's try to add maybe services area here, or maybe people. Let it be purple, for example, our team. So we can choose one of these templates and it will be successfully added. Now we can easily move it down to make it like a little bit like in the next part of the website. So now it looks like this. And basically when everything is done, we can just simply click on save, and in a few seconds all the changes will be saved. And now we can easily find this website on our World Wide Web. So this is a way of how can we interact with website creating. Of course, it provides us a huge 40-day trial. We can easily try it for free, but after that we have some plans: personal, business, commerce basic, and commerce advanced. So you can easily decide what plan is more suitable as for you. Personal is $60 per month, and business is $23 per month. We can find all the differences right up here. And as for me, it's pretty cool that they provide us the opportunity to try it for free, and after that we can easily decide what is suitable as for us. So this is a way of how can we interact with Squarespace to build our own website. Hope guys this video helped you out. If you have any questions, you can of course write them in the comments below. And that's it for this video. I wish you a very good day. Leave your like, comment, and subscribe. And goodbye. See you in the next videos.